Salvete omnes. This is Review 8, chapters 29 through 32. This is drill on forms E. In this drill, we're to translate these English phrases into Latin verbs. So 1. We shall be present. We shall be present. This is the first person plural, future of ad sum, ad esse, ad fui, ad futurus. So we want the first person plural future of sum, which is erimus, and then add the ad. Ad erimus. Ad erimus. 2, he was listening to, he was hearing. Third person singular, imperfect active of audio, audire, audivi, auditus. We want the present stem audi, add the e because it's a fourth conjugation, and then bot. Audiebat, audiebat. 3, they will be able. This is a form of possum. So third person plural future of possum, posse, potui. You want erunt, they will be, erunt, and then add pot, poterunt, poterunt, they will be able. They were hindered, the third person plural, and it's going to be impedio, impedire, impedivi, impeditus. Because it's perfect passive, we want the fourth principal part, impeditus. Because it's plural, let's make it plural, impediti, I, a, one for each of the genders. And then, because it's perfect passive, we want the present of sum as a helping verb. Sum est, sumus estis, sunt. Impediti, I, a, sunt, which is shortened for impediti sunt, impeditae sunt, and impedita sunt. She was sleeping. Third person singular imperfect active of dormio, dormire, dormivi, dormitus. The present stem is dormi, add the e, dormie, and add the bot, dormiebat. He said, they probably want this to be inquit. So we're going to put inquit. He said, quoth he, saith he. He said, inquit. We have arrived. Here we are. This is pervenio, pervenire, perveni. Make run over the second e, perventus. It takes ad or in plus the accusative of motion. So we have arrived. We want the first person plural, and that's perfect active of this verb. So third principal part, perveni, make run over the second e, chop off the I to get perven, make run over the second e, and then add the first person plural perfect ending, e isti it, imus istis erunt. So pervenimus. He is absent. Third person singular, present active of ab sum, ab esse, a fui, a futurus. So he is would be est, and then put an ab in front of it. Ab est. Ab est. He is away. He is absent. Will you build? Yes or no question. This is munio, munire, munivi, munitus. And will you do it? You will do it. Second person singular future. Present stem is muni, and then we want ace. And then because it's a question, add a ne. Muniesne, muniesne. Will you build? To come together. Present active infinitive, the second principal part of convenio, convenire, conveni, conventus, so convenire. We shall build. First person plural, future active of munio, munire, munivi, munitus. We shall do this. So we want the present stem muni, and then am es et emus etisent. Muniemus. They were found. We don't know the gender of the they, masculine, feminine, or neuter, so we'll put all three. Were found is the perfect passive of invenio, invenire, inveni, inventus. So take inventus and give it plural endings. So instead of inventus aum, we want inventi, I, a. They were found, perfect passive, we want the helping verb sunt. Inventi I sunt, which is shortened for inventi sunt, inventai sunt, inventa sunt. You could, we have a couple different answers here. You could, that could either be you could, you were able to, repeatedly, habitually in the past, imperfect tense, second person singular, poteros, using possum, posse, potui, or you could also put the perfect tense, potuisti, the perfect stem, potu plus isti, the perfect tense. So poteros or potuisti. They're actually different actions. They show different potentials. But in English, it's hard to tell. 14, he will arrive. We have pervenio, like we do in number 7. So third person singular future of pervenio, pervenire, perveni, perventus. So perveni is the present stem. He will do it. Perveniat. And 15, singular imperative of venio, venire, veni, macron over the e, ventus. So second principal part, chop off the I, veni, come, veni. The plural would be venite, but this is singular, veni. Optime, very well done. That's it for drill on forms E. You are now ready to move on to drill on syntax A.